All right, guys, good morning. It is go time to get ready for our test, which is going to be on Monday, January 24th. So we want to make sure that, especially our students that are in cyber or second semester, that you guys know exactly what's going on. This activity is going to be delivered in all in-person classes, but for our cyber and our second semester students, we want to make sure that you have access to this as well. This is not an assignment, but it could be something that could help you out quite a bit. So to get ready for our test on Monday, January 24th, please make sure that you identify what time period your test is actually going to be in. You're going to be able to find that in multiple places on the DECA Schoology page. The time periods are 4-5, and then also 6-7. So please make sure that you identify that. That has been sent out to your teachers, so you will be excused from class during those times. So for this DECA Test Prep Choice Board, it could be something that could help you out quite a bit. We have 3 different things that can hopefully help you get ready for your test on Monday. So that you can do as best as you possibly can. So you might want to access our Competition University files that we have. You may also want to actually just take a look at some old scanned in PDF DECA test that we have. The thing that students really like about those is if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, they give you the explanations for the answers. And then the last thing, if you feel like you want to have full on dork out, you might actually want to check out this thing called an exam blueprint. An exam blueprint is something that DECA puts out, and it lets you know between your district, state, and international test, the breakdown of the specific topics that you can take a look at. So let's dive into this and see how this whole thing's going to go down. So first of all, on slide 2, if you're not sure of the test schedule, there's going to be a link for you right here. If you need your Competition University password, you can find that right here. And here's another link to the exam breakdown. So let's say that we're going to come in and we actually want to study our old saved test that we have on our Schoology page. When you get into that, you're going to find it in the competition materials and resources, and you should be able to navigate directly to your test. Let's say that for something different that you'd actually like to use Competition University. When you're in Competition University, I think that you're probably pretty familiar now with how you navigate it, but we do have instructions for you on this. It's going to say submit a screenshot. You actually don't have to do that. And our last thing that we might have that would be of interest to you is going to be our exam blueprint. So you can follow this link right here, and it's going to take you to this exam blueprint from DECA. So let's actually just take a look at that very quickly and kind of see how that whole thing is broken down. So what's really amazing is that you're going to be able to scroll down and see every test that is offered, and then it's going to show you the breakdown for your district, which is now over. So your association in the middle is going to be your breakdown. So let's say that I was taking the entrepreneurship test. I can kind of go in here and see I've got 4 questions from business law, 3 from channel management, 0 from communications. So I'm probably not going to worry about communications and customer relations very much. But if I come on down, I've got 13 in entrepreneurship, and I also have 13 in operations. So if I'm trying to figure out how to divide my time wisely and figure out what to study, I could spend more time on entrepreneurship and also on operations. So that's just a little bit of an inside track on something that could help you get ready for your test on Monday, January 24th. In room 107. If something happens and you need to make it up, you'll have to make up your test on Thursday, January 27th during the 2-hour delay. So you'll need to make sure you come in early for that. Make sure you reach out to Mr. Connor or I if you have any questions and help in DECA Prep. Take care. Good luck.